This is the Stihl MSA 120 chainsaw. This is a really lightweight chainsaw for domestic use. This chainsaw comes with a small battery, which you can either have AK 10, 20 or 30, which is recommended on AK 20, or you can go up to the AK 30. So you can either buy the saw by itself if you already have the battery and charger, or you can buy the full kit altogether. So the saw, the battery and the standard charger. This chainsaw comes with a 12-inch bar. It's got the quarter picot chain on it, lightweight chain. So very much for small pruning, bringing down small trees, and for some small logging as well. A very good chainsaw for domestic use.